Wouldn't it be cool if Teddy could talk back?
Yeah. Hi, let's play.
Hello, friends. I'll always say hi.
Yay! Let's begin.
Let's explore the little robot brain.
Nice drawing. Whoa.
The picture finished itself. That's AI, a tiny brain inside your toys and games.
My robot always knows where to go.
Games use AI too.
Puzzle complete. Hey, it helped me solve it.
That's AI helping you learn and play smarter. Let's remember, AI helped us draw, play, and think smarter.
AI is awesome.
Next time, I'll show you how friends like me learn and grow.
Yay!